Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. It has seriously been so long since I've filmed and edited a video, probably like a month. I've been having just like a really busy, fun summer, family here. We've just been going all over and it's just been like a super fun summer. This summer I was gonna kind of like take it a little more easy with YouTube and focus more on like my Instagram, my TikTok, because YouTube, as we know, is so much work. I love YouTube and I love you guys, but I just like sometimes it's just too much with the other platforms. So I think maybe you guys have noticed, or maybe you haven't, I've been uploading more shorts, but I do want to, of course, get back to doing my longer videos. I still love the long content, and hopefully you guys do too. Of course, I know so many of you guys, hopefully you're still watching my videos, and I'm sorry that I haven't posted a longer video in quite some time, but I do have like videos I want to film. I want to do, of course, more hauls like today, more shop with me's have to happen, more Dollar Tree makeup tutorials, TJ Maxx. Like I need to upload budget beauty buys again. So let me know if you guys are still down for all those video ideas, or if there's any other video ideas that you want to see, let me know. I love hearing from you guys, and I did not forget about you guys. Okay, please know that. I genuinely appreciate and love you guys. You've been here with me for the past 12 years. Maybe some of you have been here for a much shorter time, but either way, regardless, I'm very appreciative of all you who are subscribing and watching. Like truly, you guys are awesome, and my YouTube family means so much to me. So with that being said, I want to go ahead and do a haul today, and it's actually gonna be my IPSY unboxing for August, as well as PR packages that I got in the mail, because I am behind also on my PR boxes and I have quite a lot. So grab a snack, drink, iced coffee, tea, whatever, so we can kind of get comfy, and let's get into this unboxing. I'm gonna do IPSY first because that's what I have right next to me. So it is the Beauty Olympics, because as we know right now, it's the Summer Olympics. Two boxes, so it's definitely the upgraded IPSY month, which is every quarter you get the like higher end beauty stuff in the bigger luxe box. This was just like chilling in the box this time. This is Cravings by Chrissy Teigen, the perfect chocolate chunk cookie mix. How cool is that? I'm definitely gonna make these. I love like making cookies and then like giving them out to like friends and neighbors. I always think that is so much fun, so I'm definitely gonna try these. It says just add an egg and butter. I do have like my go-to cookie recipe that literally every time I make it, I get so many people obsessed with these cookies. They're like, these are the best cookies I've ever had in my entire life. I cannot take credit for the recipe because I found it on Pinterest, but it's my like go-to amazing, does not fail me cookie recipe. Start with the small bag because I feel like I never start out with the small bag, but why not? It was the first thing that I grabbed, and I will try not to like go on and on because we have a lot of stuff to open today. Cute. It's giving Stony Clover vibes. You guys know Stony Clover. They're like famous for these like little puffy letters. Up we have this, what is this? Is this a lip gloss? Creamsicle. Yeah, I think this is a lip gloss. It's like a gold shimmer. It's actually really pretty. I don't know if I would wear this, but it's still pretty. Have a little tiny professional matte primer that's absolutely adorable and so cute for travel. This I'm excited for. e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. I've been wanting to try their lip oils, and I actually can't believe this is in the small bag. I thought this would be in like the bigger box, but this is so freaking cool. This is Miel. This is their honey infused sugar scrub because I feel like you can also use them on your body if you don't want to use them on your face. And the last thing is this Ideal Intense Eye Cream from Famu, a brand I've not heard of. The small box, we'll start with this one first and then work our way up to the bigger box. Okay, here's a little pamphlet. I don't want to read it because I don't want to know what's inside the box. Starting out with this, ooh, Amika. I love Amika. Their stuff smells so good. And this is the Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. Wow, the packaging is also so cute, you guys. So it says this is a dry finishing spray to build fullness and matte texture for high volume hair. This would be good for if you have like beach waves. Like I did beach waves yesterday. However, the weather in New York, it has been so humid. My hair has been not cooperating. Like I straightened it twice this week. It turned completely wavy. So at this point, that's why I just stick with the braid. I need to do the slick back bun or something because my hair in the summer right now is just not wanting to cooperate. But anyways, I love Amika products and I'm excited to try this spray. Let me know if you guys have tried this. Next up, we have this, the NUZZOLO Skin Filter Serum. Ooh, anything that says filter, I'm always like, I need that. Like, please shrink my pores. It says it brightens and evens, and it says it brightens skin with AHAs, BHA, Kaduhu plum, and hyaluronic acid and glycerin. Okay, and it improves elasticity. I love trying skincare, so I will definitely be trying this. Oh, it says apply after cleansing, follow with moisturizer. Okay, so it's not like a makeup primer. It is more like a skincare item. Skin Barrier Alt Retinol. I like their packaging too. Very like sleek. Next, we have this Farah Gel Eyeliner Duo. I don't think I've seen this brand before, but it says it's in black and purple. And then we have, ooh, another Lunar Beauty item. I think we got the blush palette last time. This is the Moon Prism Liquid Blush. Fuego Fuchsia. Actually, it's like sealed shut. Let me see if I can open it. Gosh, this is so pretty. I also love their packaging. Looks like a beautiful color. Is it like a doe foot or is it, oh yeah, it's a doe foot. I love these like cream blushes. I feel like I have so many of them now, but I would really be curious to try this Lunar Beauty one. This is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, you guys. Iconic London eyeshadow palette. Okay, treat yourself eyeshadow palette. Let's see what she looks like. I'm seeing lots of greens and blues. This is actually such a beautiful palette. My eye is drawn towards all the shimmers in here. Look at that. That is so cool. This one's Sugar Rush. Oh, wait, you guys can't see this. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. That's Sugar Rush. Pink Lemonade. What else? Glazed Donut. This is like a gold. It's so funny how things swatch different when your arm is tan. Like right now I have my little summer tan going on. Hopefully you guys can see that. I feel like it's kind of bright right now, but I'm definitely gonna try this out because I really like the color scheme. It's kind of looks like pastel candy-ish. This was also just like hanging out in the box. It's this Love, I don't even know what this is called, Love Dio 1 exfoliating cleanser with rose hip and sea buckthorn oil. I guess this is just for the shower, right? Yeah, it's a body scrub. So I will put that in my shower. On to the big Icon box. That's what it's called. I always forget it. So this is the Icon box by Chrissy Teigen and John Legend. That's pretty cool. I like wouldn't expect them to be in this, I guess. I don't know, but there we go. Let's start off first with this. Is this a fragrance? I think it is. Commodity Juice. I feel like it's more rare to get a fragrance in these boxes. It says it's expressive. I'm like really picky with scents. Let's see if there's like any sort of notes. We are a modern perfume that's rethinking fragrance. Okay, but what does this smell like? I'm gonna have to look this up on my phone, but the scent is called, okay, so I looked it up. It says it's a fruity, floral, juicy perfume with notes of strawberry, raspberry, rhubarb, and amberwood. That's interesting. I have been wanting like a strawberry kind of fragrance. Let's see if there's any reviews. Fragnatica, they're like pretty brutal on that website. Woodsy rose with lots of fruit. If you're partial to rose and this is for you. Okay, I don't like rose, so I might not be into that. We have, I feel like First Aid is always in here. First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I love these, especially if you want to do just like a nice exfoliation on your face at night to kind of just like make your pores look smaller. I also like using these on my hands. Do not neglect your hands, you guys. And also make sure you put sunscreen on your hands because your hands are the first things that show signs of aging. So yeah, these are awesome and they are safe for sensitive skin as well. Just like making a mess on my bed over here. We're in my bedroom today, by the way, if you couldn't tell. Next we have, oh my gosh, I've been wanting this, the Morphe Continuous Prep and Set Mist with ceramides and antioxidants. I have been wanting to try their spray mist for so long, and this one's like pretty in gold. So it says the cult favorite micro fine mist with electrolytes. Okay. I will definitely be using this. I went out and I forgot to put on setting spray and I was like kicking myself because I feel like that is like the final step. Like you have to do your setting spray, especially in the summer. But I love that this has that like fine mist. Okay, next up we have this MZ Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani Calming Moisturizer. This is, does it say? Red sage root, centella asiatica, amino acid blend, and prebiotic inulin chicory root. Okay, I mean, I actually needed another moisturizer. Let's see, this is like reminding me of just something high-end. I feel like this is definitely a pricey kind of cream. I mean, it looks nice. I will definitely be trying this out. It's always a little bit dicey with moisturizers because you're like, am I gonna break out? Like, you know, so it's a little scary sometimes. But oh, it's fragrance free. Okay, that's great. So we have, ooh, brushes, and these look so nice. We have, let's see, we have 6. I can count. 6 brushes. This one looks like a highlighter brush, and then the rest of them look like eye brushes, except this one has like an interesting shape. What? Do you guys see that? That's kind of crazy. Yeah, so I love getting these brush sets. I feel like half the brushes in my collection are from like Boxycharm and IPSY. Okay, next up we have Beso Balm Ultra Hydrating Lip Mask. This is interesting. Oh, JLo Beauty. Oh my gosh, I love lip masks. Like, they are so much fun. But anyways, let's see. It just looks like a little solid, but I will definitely be trying this out. I don't smell anything, but oh, it's in the shade Sweet Shine. Next we have, this is a brand I always also see in Boxycharm, the Grown Alchemist Regenerating Gel Mask. And let's see if I can open this up. Naturally advanced formulations. Okay. This is kind of like one of those squishy packages that like molds. Do you guys see that? Is down to try a mask, especially like if I feel like my skin's feeling a little bit like tired. It says it's a cooling sensation, reduces visible signs of aging. Perfect. Toned, firm, and hydrated pomegranate, echinacea, and green tea. Yeah, I will definitely try that out. This is Iconic London multi-use cream blush, bronze, and highlight palette. We have another Iconic London. They are just giving us everything today. Okay, let's see if I can open this without messing up my fake nails that I have on. Okay. Ooh, my goodness. Look how pretty. Wow, that's beautiful. This is beautiful. I don't even want to touch these because they're like so nice. We have shimmer, some contours, and then, ooh, these look pretty. The 2 cream blushes, there's like a little bit of shimmer. 6 blushing highlighting shades with bronzers, add full dimension, infused with vitamin E and meadow seed oil, luxurious, blend like a dream. Yeah, okay, I definitely would like to try these because these look real nice. Wow, that was such a good unboxing, you guys. Let me know what you thought. I do have a link that I will put in my description box if you guys want to sign up for IPSY, and if you want to like try out their icon box. I definitely think it's worth it because you get so many nice products for a really great price. That is it, you guys, for my IPSY August unboxing. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for watching. I thought I was going to open more boxes in this video, but my battery is dying. I feel like I've been filming for a while and I'm running out of space on this card. So I think I'm just going to leave this video as IPSY, and then I'll do another video sharing my other PR packages. I love you guys so much. Comment down below, thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.